everybody, Tracy here with Pleasant Run Farms Candle and Soap Company, and today I have a quick review of my winter scented wax melts that are going to go up and available on the website, Etsy, and Amazon on Tuesday of this week, November 26th. I'm recording this video in the past, so hopefully they go up on November 26th. Anyway, do a quick review of what I have here. So these are wax melts made with mica and glitter. First up is Bayberry. Love this fragrance. This is perfect really year-round. It is a light blue color, and it is a mix of sweet bayberries or Cranberry Ish type scent along with Balsam Fir. I love this fragrance. It is the perfect winter scent, very cozy. That's Bayberry, available on the website, Etsy, and Amazon. Up next is a favorite of many people. This is Orange and Clove. Very, very clear what this smells like. Again, this is made with orange mica. So when you melt this in your wax warmer, it's going to create the most beautiful swirl effect in your electric wax warmer. It creates a beautiful shimmer with a little bit of glitter. This is orange, nutmeg, and clove. This is probably the most lasting scent that I have, in that you will smell the clove up front first. It's going to last a while. It's going to be strong. Okay, up next is Peppermint Bark. I don't know if the video really is going to show this well enough, but this chocolate is really a dark brown color. It's hard to show, but it's a dark brown color. It actually is layered. So there is a white layer of vanilla cream, a pink or reddish layer of peppermint, and then a drizzle of chocolate, making this the perfect peppermint bark. Another popular wax melt this time of year is Balsam Fir. This is very clear. This is a pine scent. It is very strong. So I always advise my customers to cut one cube in half instead of burning or melting the entire cube. And then lastly for the winter is Mulberry. This is a very sweet Cranberry-ish scent. It is quite strong. And I think it's perfect for winter. I actually carry this year round. Now, with these wax melts, they are 100% soybean wax, and they will deliver a softer version of the scent than you would get with the paraffin wax, yet still strong. So don't think that soy wax will eliminate or reduce your experience with the fragrance. You'll absolutely get your strength, but it will be a slightly softer fragrance than what you might be familiar with in paraffin. So that's it for the preview of my winter wax melts. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.